Hi everyone, welcome to MASH Math. Today we are going to study chapter 4 quadratic equations, exercise 4.1, question 1. Check whether the following are quadratic equations. I have already explained to you what is quadratic equations in the introduction. So this is a general formula where a should not be equal to 0. So all that you have to see is when you solve the equation, your answer, if you get x square where a is not 0, a, b, c can be any number. So a should not be 0, then it is a quadratic equation. So those have not gone through the introduction part, kindly go through where I have explained to you in detail about it. So now in this video, we will study the remaining 4 parts. Already I have taught you these 4 parts. So in this video, we are going to see the 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th part of this question. So this is our 5th question. So let us see. Here also we have 2 brackets here. So we can multiply as we have done the earlier. First with the 2x, multiply the whole thing. Then with -1, multiply the whole thing. So same way we have to do here also. So then 2x, then x minus 3. Here you have -1 and then the whole thing multiply with this. So same way here with x, multiply the whole thing. Then with +5, multiply this whole thing. Okay, now 2x into x, when we multiply, here 1 is there. So 2x into x will give us x square. Minus is here. So 2 into 3 will give us 6. X is left. So x. Now here -1. So minus 1 into x when we multiply will get x. Then minus into minus when we multiply it becomes plus. Then 1 into 3 will give us 3. So now x with x when we multiply we will get x square. Minus is here. X into 1 will give us x. Then plus is here. 5 into x will give us 5x. Plus when you multiply with minus it becomes minus. Then 5 into 1 will give us 5. So now all the x we will bring to one side. So we have 2x square here. And here you have x square in plus. When it comes here becomes minus. So minus x square. So this has come already this side. Now here what we have minus 6x and minus x. So minus 6x minus x will give us minus 7x. Now here what are the x we have? Here we have 5x. Here we have minus x. So from 5x, if you subtract 1x, then we will get 4x. So that 4x will be plus because this is smaller sign. So this is bigger sign. So from the biggest sign, the smaller sign, when you subtract, the biggest number sign will remain. So we will get plus 4x. Okay, so this part we have brought it here. Now what is left? So this is over. This also is over. So here also we completed. Now what is left is the number plus 3. And here minus 5. So bring minus 5 to this side will become plus 5. So now all things have come this side. Now nothing is left this side, 0. So now you see 2x square. Here minus x square means here we have 2x square. We have here 1x square. So when we subtract, we will get 1x square. Because 2 biggest sign is plus here. So we will get 1x square. Now we have here minus 7x plus 4x. So minus 7 is biggest number than the plus 4. So therefore the sign remains minus. So then from 7 you subtract 4, you will get 3 and x is there. Because from 7x subtract 4x we will have 3x and the biggest number sign remains. Now we have plus 3 and plus 5 will give us plus 8 equal to 0. So now you see, can we say this is quadratic equation? Yes, because the variable highest power is 2 and a is not equal to 0. A here it is 1. A value is 1. So 1 you write or don't write is the same. So therefore this is a quadratic equation. Now let's see the sixth part. Now sixth part, this you see in the form of identity, that is a minus b whole square. So this you have studied in the smaller class how to write in the expansion form. So a square then minus 2ab plus b square. You can also write this last and b square can be front also, there is no problem. So now this you have to write in this expansion form. This you will consider as a, this you consider as b. So let's write down, this is x square remains the same here, 3x remains the same, plus 1 remains the same. Only this we will write in this form. So a square means here it will be x square, then minus 2. A is here x and b is here 2. Then plus you have plus b square is 2 square. Okay. Now x square plus 3x plus 1. So x square minus 2, here you have plus 2. So when you multiply, 2 2s are 4. Sign is minus, so 2 2s are 4 and x is there. Then plus 2 2s are 4. Now let's bring all the x one side. X square and here 1x square. When it comes this side becomes minus x square. Plus 3x you have here, you have minus 4x. When it comes to this side becomes plus 4x. Then you have plus 1 here. Then here you have plus 4. When it comes this side becomes minus 4. So all things have come this side. So now nothing is left, 0. So now x square is in plus, here x square is minus, gets cancelled. Then you have plus 3x plus 4x will give us 7x. Then you have plus 1 minus 4. So plus and minus means you have to subtract, but the biggest number sign remains 4. Minus here, so minus. From 4 you subtract 1, you will get 3. Now can you say this is quadratic equation? Because the highest power here 2 is not there. Therefore this is not a quadratic equation. Okay, now let's see the seventh part. Now this also is a identity, that is a plus b whole cube. So this, how to remember this identity? So first what you have to do, first you write down a cube, then write down b cube, then you write down 3ab and 3ab. So like this you write down, and now first a is there, so a square, then next b is there, so b square. So here plus is there, so everywhere you put plus. So like this you can remember this identity. So in this form you have to write down this. So this will be your a, this your b. So in this form you have to write the expansion. So let us write down. So first a cube, that means x cube, plus then b cube means here 2 cube, then you have plus, then you have 3, your a is here x, square is there, and then your b is here 2. Then again you have plus, then you have 3a, a is x here, and b is 2 here, and square. Okay, so this we have written down in this form. Now equal to, this is 2x, we multiply with the x square, will give us 2x cube. Then minus is there, then 2x into 1 will give us 2x. Now let us write down this, x cube plus 2 cube will give us 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Then you have 3 2s are 6. Then x square is there. Then plus here also 3 to here 2 2s are 4. 4 into 3, 12. then x is there, then equal to, here you have 2x cube minus 2x. Solved. Now let's bring all the x to one side. So you have x cube here, here you have 2x cube, this bring it to this side, become minus 2x cube. Then you have here x is here 6x square, so plus 6x square. Here you don't have x square, you don't have. Now let's bring the x, so plus 12x. Now here you have minus 2x, when it comes this side becomes plus 2x. So all these things have come this side. Now here remaining one is plus 8. So now x cube minus 2x cube. So from 2x cube you subtract 1x cube, you will get 1x cube. Biggest sign is minus, so minus. Now this is x square, you have only 6x square you have. You don't have other x square. Plus here 12x plus 2x will give us 14x. You have plus 8. Now can you say this is a quadratic equation? Because here cube is there. When does it become a quadratic equation? When the x power is 2. Then only we will say it is a quadratic equation. So therefore this is not a quadratic equation. Is it clear? Now let's see the 8th part of the sum. So here also you have the identity you have to use, that is a, this is a minus b whole cube. Now I told you here how to do, here I told you. Same way you have to use it. Sorry, not here. Cube where we used? Here. Okay. Same way you have to use here also. Same way we will write down. How we did? Here plus versus everywhere we put the plus. So same way here minus is there. How to put the sign I will tell you. But first we will write down the same way how we have written down. Write down a cube, then b cube, then 3ab, then 3ab. So same way you have to write down. So now square you have to put, a is there, b is there. So a square, here b square. Now sign how to put. Here minus is there, minus is with b, b is the minus. So where b is there we will put minus. Now here also b is there, single b is there, so we will put minus. But then here it will become plus. Why? Because b square. So if you put minus, then minus square will become plus only. So it will become plus here. Here it is a b single, so minus remains the same. Here it is a cube, so twice it will become plus. Then one more time is there, so it becomes minus only. So is it clear? So that's how to remember this identity. So now in this form you have to write down this. So this you will consider as your a and this as your b, and this way you will write down. Okay, so this we write down as it is, nothing to solve here. But here this form we will write down. So first a cube, so our a is x here, so cube. Then minus b is 2 here and cube. Then we have minus 3 a square, a is here x, so square. Then we have b, that is 2. Then you have plus 3, a is x and b is 2 and square. Okay, so now x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1. Here x cube minus 2 3 times. So minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. Okay, so minus into minus will become plus. 2 2s are 4. Here you have minus 2 again. So plus into minus become minus. 4 into 2, 8. So that means this we will get here minus 8. So now here you have minus. So minus 3 into 2 will give us 6. Then x square is there. Now you have plus here. 2 2s are 4. 4 into 3, 12. And this x is here. Okay. You have to take care when you solve here. So now x cube. Whatever x cube is there, let's bring this side. Here you have in plus. So when it comes here, becomes minus. So minus x cube. So now what else you have? Square now here. Minus 4x square. You have any square? Yes. Minus 6 square when it comes this side becomes plus 6 square. Then now we have here x is left minus x. Here we have 12x when it comes this side becomes minus 12x. Now what is left? Number is here plus 1 and here you have minus 8. When minus 8 comes this side becomes plus 8. So all things have come this side. Now this side nothing is left, so 0. So now x cube minus x cube gets cancelled. Now what is left here? Minus 4x square plus 6x square. Which is the biggest sign? Plus is the biggest sign. So it will be in plus here. So then now we will subtract. From 6x square, 4x square goes means we will get 2x square. Now you have minus x minus 12x. So when 2 minus comes, we add them as it is. So then 12x here 1x. Total it will give us 13x. Now you have plus 1 plus 8 will give us plus 9. Okay. So now you see this is in plus 2x square. You don't need to write plus. So we'll write down like this only. 13x plus 9. Now can we say this is quadratic equation? Yes, because x power is 2 and a is not equal to 0. So therefore this is a quadratic equation. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you and God bless you.